To prevent damage to your teeth during your treatment, thorough oral hygiene is imperative. Poor or mediocre care of your teeth can and probably will cause permanent and unsightly damage to your teeth. Don't let this happen. Develop a pattern of brushing that covers all the surfaces of all your teeth. Brush the entire surface of each tooth using an oval or circular motion with the toothbrush. Tilt it and brush slowly around the braces. That's where plaque and debris accumulate. Concentrate on the area between the braces and the gums, gently placing the bristles under the gum tissue. Focus on spots that have hooks and attachments because plaque and food particles accumulate there. Brush the chewing or biting surfaces of the teeth and the inside surfaces of the teeth, and don't forget your tongue. Your teeth and appliances should shine after each brushing. Brush after each meal or snack and at bedtime. Floss between the teeth at least once a day. Use a fluoride rinse at night. And you can always swish water vigorously between your teeth whenever you have the chance. The added benefit is substantial.